Today I'm unboxing a smart security camera. It's a 1080p, and the really cool thing about this is it's got a little solar panel, so it's going to charge. It's going to go up at the garage. I've got all kinds of cameras, but I need something up at the garage. And so my stipulations for this particular camera was to have the pan, tilt, and zoom, so I can rotate around. I can see the front of the garage and coming down the side. It's not really a security issue. We get lots of animals here, and there's been a bear sighting in the last few days, so it's going to be really neat to see some of that. I've got some trail cams set up too. So going from the back of the cottage here up to the garage is about 200 feet. So I have a Wi-Fi extender which is hooked into the back of the cottage here. This security camera will receive the signal all the way up to the garage. So let's take a look. Okay. Got a manual here. I'll read the manual. Good English manual. These look like little mounting plates for the to mount the camera. Yeah, to mount the camera and to mount the solar panel. Oh, look at that. This is weatherproof too. IP65. A micro USB. And that's good. So what I'm going to suggest. And we've got some brackets in there. This is for mounting the camera and the solar panel. Oh, it's really heavy. It's well made. There's one more bracket. There's the micro USB. So actually, my microphone here, it charges on the same micro USB. This is made by Mubilife. So this will receive a really good signal from the garage all the way down to here. And I have 4K cameras and 1080p. So 1080p high definition is perfectly fine for here. There's a reset button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge this overnight. And I'm going to install my SD card. This says that it will take a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. I have a 64 gig, and this is a class 1, and I'm using SanDisk Ultra, which is a really good card. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to charge this up to full, and I'm going to mount it, and then I'll see you up at the garage. Here I am at the garage. I charged the camera overnight with my little micro USB. This camera is extremely easy and foolproof to hook up. It only works with 2.4G. Now to hook this up, I charged it overnight, and then I went close to my router and I pressed a button on the top. It beeped, and it will tell you stuff on the screen. It's very easy to hook up. It'll give you a little QR code. You register the camera, you get it going, then you come out to a nice sunny location. So I've chosen a spot on top of the, on my soffit here. I get some really good sun in the afternoon up in the corner there. And I've chosen a position where I can see straight down the driveway. I can see over to the side with my tractor around the side and my side-by-side, and then I can look down this way into the driveway part. And it was extremely easy to hook up. I tested out the audio, because you can actually press a button on your phone and just hold down to speak to anybody that's outside. So I did that with my wife this morning. And here's a little video. The quality is very good. I don't think I would need a 4K video. The 1080p in standard definition is just perfect. The app is very intuitive. It's called Dee's Home app, and it works really well. It'll tell you your Wi-Fi signal. You don't even have to put the time in. It does all that automatically too. You can play with the zones. You can set it up to really highly sensitive, right down to low. I've got it on. It comes with standard definition, and I can put it up into high def. But I just kept it on the standard. That's perfectly fine. But I'll show you a couple of pictures of what it looks like. Here's a picture at nighttime. Here's a picture during the day. If you're looking for a solar powered camera that just runs by itself, I highly recommend this one. I'm going to link to the Amazon seller. Mubilife. Extremely easy to set up, and you can do 360 degrees, pan, tilt, zoom. I highly recommend this security camera.